Hi there, my name is Roberto Ruiz and this is the crash course on setting up your Instagram advertising account. 100% optimized to promote your e-commerce products. Here's what you will walk away with after our 4 lessons. A fully functional ad account that is ready to start promoting your e-commerce products. If you follow along for the next few days, you'll be set to begin your advertising journey. In this first lesson, we will be taking the first crucial step by setting up your Meta Business Suite account. The Meta Business Suite account is the central hub where everything related to your Facebook and your Instagram lives, from social posts or messages to your Instagram or advertising account. But I can already hear you say, why Meta and Facebook? I signed up for Instagram advertising. Don't worry, you're still in the right place. Meta is just the parent company of both Facebook and Instagram. To advertise on Instagram, you need a Meta Business Suite account. This means once you set it up, you will have everything you need in one place to launch your ad campaigns on Instagram. I'm going to do this by sharing my screen and guiding you click by click through the whole process. Bear with me and we will get through it in just a few clicks. Before we dive in, I prepare a master cheat sheet for you. You will find it attached below this video on the landing page. This cheat sheet will help you click on the right links and follow the steps more easily as we go along. Are you ready? Then we will start with the step 1 of our cheat sheet. Create a Meta Business Suite account. And I already left a link for you so we can both be on the same page. Let me share my screen and guide you through it right now.
All right. So now that we're on the link, we first need to make sure that we are logged in from our Facebook. I've already explained why. So once we are logged in, we will be able to click on Get Started. And if we don't have an account yet, there will be a new window prompting here to enter the details. If you already have an account, it will take you to your Meta Business Suite account. And here, if you already have your account, you will be able to see right here on the top all the accounts that you're already managing. And here you could create a new business account. We want to do this. So we'll get to the same window and enter the details. First, our business account name, which will be our e-commerce name, and Meta Business Suite, MBS, and then just our name, last name, and just an email from which we will be receiving notifications and everything. In this case, our email and create. All right. On the second step, it will ask us to connect our existing pages to our new Meta Business Suite. But we don't want to do this, so we'll just skip it. And the same for the step 2, in which we will be able to connect more than this user to our Meta Business Suite. And we could do that as employees or business administrators. But we're going to skip it and do it later. I'll show you how. So for now, we're just going to confirm that we are creating a Meta Business Suite account from this email as a business admin. So we'll click on confirm and it will take us to our new Meta Business Suite. We will be able to see it here as well, together with the rest of the accounts that we are managing. And here are all the tools, but if we scroll all the way down to settings, it will take us to our Meta Business Suite settings.
Congratulations! Step 1 is done. Now you have already created your Meta Business Suite account. As I said before, this is a crucial step towards creating a functional advertising account. Now we only need to configure a few other things. The first thing will be adding people to your Meta account. To explain it in easy terms, let me compare Meta Business Suite to your physical store. When you hire a new employee for your physical store, you start by giving them a key set so they can have access to your store. The key set might have different keys depending on what you want to give them access to. For example, some might have access to your storage room, some people to the finance, and some people to the marketing folders, etc., etc. Well, on Meta Business Suite, you can do exactly the same. The first thing will be adding people to the general account. Then you will be able to grant them access to certain assets. In the digital marketing world, assets refer to your Facebook page, your Instagram account, your advertising account, your financial admin, and some others that I will see later on this course. For now, let's start by adding people to your account. So let me share my screen again and guide you right through it.
And the first thing that we see is people. So this is where we're going to be adding people that are going to be able to manage the rest of the accounts or assets, as we're going to be calling them. So we're going to click on add people and enter an email. This doesn't need to be the email from their Facebook, just an email where they will be receiving the invitation. So this one, for example, and you could give them a temporary access, but we don't really want to do that. So we're just going to click on next. And here you could give them partial access or full control. In general, we will always give full control. And for that, we will click on manage and click next. And here we will be able to give access to the different assets. But since we haven't created any yet, there is nothing here yet. So we'll click on next and click on continue because we haven't assigned anybody any asset yet. And we will confirm that we're creating a full access account to this person and send the request. All right. So here it is the confirmation that this email will be receiving an invitation from this account and it will expire in 30 days. So we click on done. And then once we have it, we are ready to go and create our Facebook page.
Okay, we already have added our employees to our Meta Business Suite account. Now we only need to add our departments. Do you remember how I said that in the digital world they will be called assets? So let's start by creating our first two Meta Business Suite assets. That is your Facebook page and your Instagram account. These are your profiles from where we will be running ads on each platform. We need them both, even if you only want to advertise on Instagram. Otherwise, we will have setup errors in our campaigns later in the future. So let's go back to the share screen and create our Facebook page.
So we'll click on pages. As we can see, there is no page added yet here. So we'll click on add pages. And we have three options: either create a new page, or claim an existing one, or just request to share another one. For now, we're going to focus on creating a new page for your business. So we're going to click here and give your page a name. So your e-commerce name again with page at the end. And then we're going to give it three categories that are related to our core business. So for example, home decor for us, furniture, and interior design. If it's not there, for example, just designer. It's quite limited with the options sometimes. And we will include also a bio. So official page from and just our business name. And then click on next. And then we're going to confirm that we're creating a Facebook page with this name that is going to be connected to this Meta Business Suite. Click on agree and create your page. This sometimes takes a second or even have a little glitch. Yep. So this shouldn't be here. But anyway, our page has been created successfully. So we click on done and here's our page. So if we click on it, we'll be able to see a summary of the name, owner, and everything. And we can give page access to other users. So right now we have us because we have created it. And you can add more people. You can add more people from the users that you have already added on the user side on people. So not from other people. Otherwise, they wouldn't show up here. And we're going to click on the user and we can give partial access with the content, the community activity, the message and calls, ads, insights, or we could just directly give them full access and control. And we click on assign. And that's done. And that's how we will do it for every asset in general.
Great, we have our first asset created. Now, on to the most important asset, your Instagram account. For this step, you will need to have an Instagram account already created, and I'm going to show you how to connect it to your Meta Business Suite account. It is important to mention that if you already have your Instagram account connected to any other Meta Business Suite accounts, you will encounter errors during this step. You will first have to disconnect your Instagram from any previous Meta Business Suite accounts. But for now, let me just show you where and how you can connect your Instagram account. So let's just go back to the share screen.
And if we go down here, we have other accounts like ad accounts, for example, we'll create in the future. And we also have Instagram accounts. So we're going to connect our Instagram account. We don't have one connected yet from our business into our Meta. So we're going to click here and it says that you can only have one Instagram account connected. So we're going to agree and claim Instagram account. All right, now it's going to prompt a new window. And then after that, you will see that it has been successfully added. And here is our Instagram account once you have logged in. So same thing, we will just give Instagram account access. Here, we will add people. In this case, add both of us. And just click on all the access that you want to give and permissions and assign. And click on done. And just like this, we have already our user connected to our Instagram account. And so right here, we will be able to see that we have created our Meta Business Suite. We have added people to be able to manage all of the assets that we want to give them particular access to in our Meta Business Suite. And we have already created our page that will be the asset running the ads on Facebook. And we have already connected our Instagram account that will be the one that will be used to run our ads on Instagram as well.
And that's it. You have completed the first lesson of this crash course on how to set up your ad account to promote your e-commerce products on Instagram and Facebook. By now, you have your Meta Business Suite account ready and fully operational with your main assets and employees added to it. You're a step closer to being able to promote your products. In lesson 2, I will show you around Meta Business Suite and some of the tasks you can easily carry out from here. For example, how to schedule content posting from one single platform, or how to manage your messages and community from one concentrated inbox. We will also create and set up your ad account. This is the crucial step towards Instagram advertising. It will unlock the whole world of Ads Manager, the one platform from where we can create audiences, campaigns, and manage all our ads for both Instagram and Facebook. If you're already finding this crash course helpful, you should probably know that you are setting up your ads account according to the 4X formula for e-commerce advertising. A complete and comprehensive approach to achieving a 4X growth on Instagram ads way beyond account setup. You can check it out on the right sidebar of this page. But for now, you can already go on to lesson number 2. Stay with me, and by the end of this course, you will have a fully functional advertising account for your e-commerce. Click now on lesson 2 and complete this course within your first 4 free days. See you in the next lesson.